Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pimsleur for audio practice. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Pimsleur for audio practice, begin by visiting the Pimsleur website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Check your email for a confirmation link from Pimsleur. Click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the Products or Courses section of the Pimsleur website. Choose the desired language course you wish to practice. Select the option to purchase or activate the course. Follow the prompts to complete the payment process. After the purchase is confirmed, return to your account dashboard. Locate the section labeled My Library or My Courses. Find the newly activated course in your library. Click on the course to view available audio lessons. Select the lesson you want to start practicing. You can listen directly on the website or download the lesson for offline access. Follow along with the audio while practicing speaking. Remember to take notes during your practice to reinforce learning. Repeat lessons as needed to improve your retention. Utilize the progress tracking feature to monitor your learning journey. Make sure to allocate regular practice time for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.